Hello, my name is Nick Abrahams. I'm going to talk about the 5 key trends that are driving digital transformation in the health sector. And we know that digital transformation in the healthcare sector is going at a phenomenal pace. According to an Accenture report earlier this year, 81% of healthcare executives say the pace of digital transformation is accelerating, and 91% of executives say they are innovating with a sense of urgency. And so the first of the key trends is personalised medicine. And this arises because of our understanding of our DNA. So many years ago now, we sequenced the first human genome, and now we can do it incredibly cheaply. And so our understanding of our genomic makeup means that we can have very targeted medical strategies for patients, rather than perhaps more of a one-size-fits-all approach, which happened before we understood the importance of genomics. The second is augmented reality. And so what that means is using a particular device. It may well be a headset like the Oculus, or it might just be through a device like an iPad, but it heightens the understanding of what it is that you're viewing. And so what you're looking at here is AccuVein, which is a device that shows the medical practitioner exactly where the vein is in the patient's arm. So they get it right first time, every time. Remote care. So particularly with COVID, we've seen the opportunities around telehealth really expand, and also the devices that people can have in a home that give the ability to the practitioner, the clinician, to be able to understand what is happening to that person, whether it's their blood sugar, whether it's their temperature. All of those critical signs can be remotely monitored. And importantly, that helps people to get better out of hospitals, where it's much nicer for the person and frankly much cheaper for the health system. And then fourth, the brain-machine interface. This has been a very difficult nut to crack for medical science. And we're getting closer. Elon Musk has his Neuralink business. So the idea of being able to tap directly into the brain, and this is Peter Scott Morgan, who is a genomics expert who unfortunately has a degenerative disease and has now focused his life on downloading his consciousness into a computer hard drive. And he is really at the forefront of that brain-machine interface. And then finally, artificial intelligence. It's changing everything, but it's having a massive impact in healthcare for sure. And there's an extraordinary story about a piece of AI that was built back in 2013, designed to tell pastries from each other in a pastry shop, but ultimately turned out to be very good at detecting cancer cells and has become very effective in the treatment of certain sorts of cancer. So it's strange where these things come from. So thank you very much for joining me today. They are the 5 key drivers for digital transformation in the healthcare sector. The opportunities for us are phenomenal. Thank you.